This is Fred Woodall's Math 280 homework number 11 video problems. For number 1, we were asked if a zombie outbreak occurred and it never hit Radford for a while, and every zombie has a 1/3 chance of not spreading the infection, a 1/3 chance of spreading it to one person, and a 1/3 chance to spread it to 2 people. Pair zombie. So all this. Alright, so we were asked first, what's the chances that the outbreak dies out after 2 or less people were infected? Well, first off, we know that it's a 1/3 chance that nobody gets infected. So we'll just add that, that'll be our initial statement. So then we have an X and a Y. This is if one person gets infected and then maybe he infects another person, maybe he doesn't. And then this is the chance that the first zombie that reaches Radford infects 2 people to start off with, and then it dies out. Okay, well, there will be 2 X's. You'll have an X1 and an X2, because it's possible that that one gets infected by the initial zombie and then dies out, or it infects the second person and then it dies out afterwards. So we got 1/3 plus X1, which is going to be 1/3 times 1/3, which is, in other words, is its chances of spreading to one person and then the chance that it dies out after spreading to that person, plus Y, which is the chances that it spreads to 2 people and then doesn't spread from both of them. So it's going to be a 2/3 on one of them. So 1/3 times a 2/3. Actually, it's going to be a 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. Because each person is going to have a 1/3 chance of not spreading it. And then we're going to have the last one, which is X2, which is it spreading to one person, then that person spreads it to another, and then he doesn't spread it. So it's going to be a 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. So spread to one person, 1/3, spread to another person, 1/3, and then it ends. So you get another 1/3. Now, as you can see here, it's basically just 1/3 to the n, like the summation of 1/3 to the n. And n goes from 1 to 4. So that means we have 1/3 plus 1/3 squared plus 1/3 to the 4th plus 1/3, to the 3rd plus 1/3 to the 4th, which equals 1/3 plus 1/9 plus 1/27 plus 81. Now, we add all those up, and we get the percentage that the outbreak will die out after all of this, which is equal to 40/81 is the exact number, but that is equal to 0.49383. So 40 over 81 is the chance that it'll die after it's been spread to 2 or less people. For B, part of this, we were asked, what is the chances that it'll die on itself? Which in other words means we need to do the initial, 1/3, that it won't spread at all. Then we need to add up all of the 1 over 3 to the ends. So basically we do a sum from n equal 1 to infinity of 1 over 3 to the n. Now, you can do this, or you can just look at this and see that it actually is just going to end up being 1/2. That is the chance that it dies out on its own. There's a 50-50 chance that it'll completely spread, or there's a 50-50 chance that it doesn't spread. And that's just a simple fact that if you add up enough of these, you'll notice that it basically equals 0.5 or 4.999999, and shows us that there's a half chance that it just goes away. So that is the end of question number 1. Simple approach, simple answers, solutions. Thank you.